everyone. Welcome back to the show. We are continuing here at 13th and Tyler in Northwest Wichita at the Northwest Shopping Center at this beautiful Stutzman's Garden Center location with the one and only Ben. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
You're so kind. You know, we really enjoy having you folks come out. We take a lot of pride, if you would, in our stores and love what our managers do.
Yes.
So we like to feature different locations. And like you said, today we're at 13th and Tyler.
Yes.
And talking about Memorial Day.
Wow, I cannot believe that's already
kidding.
this weekend.
Absolutely.
Yes. So you, French gardens are really popular this time of year,
You
right?
know, it is. And we're often asked, well, what makes it a French garden? I don't know. You know, basically it's a collection or a collage of different varieties of plant material. This particular planter right here has about 11 different plants in it.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And what we want is, you know, so much different color. And we're not so much looking at, is it sun or shade or anything like that. We just want the pretty for Memorial Day. But there's some real cool things that you can do. We have multiple sizes. This one here is a little bit small. You know, you can see the roots coming out. They're very well rooted.
Yeah.
But the neat thing with these is you can take them out to the cemetery, and the way they're established in the planter, watered, they'll last, you know, through the weekend. And then we'll have a lot of people that will take them back home. If you have a large, say you have a large, maybe 20, 22 inch planter, take a couple of these, plant them in there, and you have instant color.
Yeah.
Now, as it gets hot, you know, the pansy's not going to do so well. But then you've got marigolds, you've got salvia, you've got petunias in these that will go ahead and do quite well. Yeah.
Could you recommend, or would you recommend separating them out from
really
plants
would
that were...
not.
Okay.
Really would not. And the reason for that is you're disturbing the roots.
Okay.
You know, I could pop one of these out of the planter, you'd see with a massive root system that there's there.
Yeah.
But anytime that you mess with that, you take away some of the durability, I guess, if you would, to make that transition.
Yeah, so you have these French gardens here, perfect for Memorial Weekend, but tons of other options if people want to take and make their own French gardens as well.
Absolutely. You know, you can take, you know, sometimes people will take a larger planter they want to take out to the cemetery, and then just maybe select, you know, some of the 4.5 inch pots to where they can have instant color. When take it back home, they've already established their planter. Another thing that we see a lot of people do is literally taking our patio planters that we have, and we just do a plethora of, you know, just an incredible amount of them. Take it out, go back, and you have an instant patio planter ready to go.
Yeah, so beautiful. So many great colors. Ben, how can people find more information about anything going on?
Always.
Yes.
At Stutzmans.com, of course. But, you know, if you've been in touch with the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show every Saturday, Jason French, he's the host of that, but his email is questions at Stutzmans.com, and he responds to that quite readily.
Hey Ben, I wonder if they get French gardens from Jason French. Did he create that?
We called it that before he started working for us about 30 years ago.
Hey, it was just an idea.
It was a good shot. Good shot.
Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, make sure to come check out Stutzman's at any of their garden center locations for Memorial Weekend this weekend. One more in Good Day, Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Memorial Day. What a wonderful time to celebrate and reflect on the price paid for our freedom in this great country. Hi, this is Ben Miller. As we decorate the graves of loved ones, Stutzman's French Gardens with a collage of beautiful color in 4 sizes are a wonderful choice and can be planted in larger containers after Memorial Day. The same goes for a large selection of patio planters that are perfect for your porch or patio. Also right now, buy 3 geraniums and get 1 free of equal size and value. We hope to see you soon at one of our 12 garden centers. Find out more at Stutzmans.com and Facebook.